Hello mga lalabs, welcome back again to my channels. It's me again. If you are new here on my channels or you just click by a chance, please subscribe and click the bell for more upcoming video from me. Okay, in today's video guys, we will do unboxing a K19 wireless mini microphone. Stay tuned. As you see guys, all my video is super noise, so I decided to order a K19 wireless from Amazon. This is so cheap only guys. It's only for 34 dirham, including a shipping fee. Cheap. So let's try and let's open. So here is the Amazon. So actually I was trying to open this yesterday. And let's try. Let's open. Here you go. So inside the plastic, so here is the K19 wireless microphone. There is two mini microphone inside, so let's open it. Actually, it's easy to open. So, in the box, I have two microphone, mini microphone, and let's see what this inside. I guess this is USB. Oh, it's only USB to charge the microphone. So let's check what is inside. So inside there is a manual charge, English na ano, manual. So let's read the manual and so we can try. Okay. Thank you for choosing our product, and this product is my wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output, plug and play, no apps required, multiple uses. It can be used in online live broadcasts, video blog shooting, program interview, recording, video, teaching, and another occasion. E-wireless consists of two parts. One is microphone transmitter, the other one is receiver C. Okay, so in the box there is a microphone, small microphones. So I gonna use only one because I am alone. So if I do a mukbang or someone else with me, we will use two. So let's remove this one. And we will put it here. So now guys, I will connect this receiver. And please check what is the difference my voice now and have the wireless microphone. Okay, let's try. Now I'm gonna connect on my phone that I'm using now, and we will try to speak. Okay, now I guess it's connected, or I don't know, but it's already green, right? So you can see it. You can see it, right? Okay, let's check. Okay guys, can you hear me clearly? And tell me what is the difference with mic and without mic. And also written here. Where is that? I guess there is okay. There is written here in the box that 20 meter of accessible reception. So I'm gonna walk out and like 20 meters. So if you can still hear me. Okay? So here I am in the door and far I don't know, but I know that you can see me. You cannot see me, but I'm opening the door and I'm going outside. Please guys tell me if you still can hear me. Okay, I'm going back now. Okay, here I am. Okay, hello. Hi guys. So that is for our video today. If you are new here in my channels, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and comment below. I'm happy to hear your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video.